Are coming to federal student loans next year. The new federal budget puts limits on borrowing for medical students.
So leaders at the University of New England, which is home of Maine's only medical school, are certainly worried about the impact it might have on their students. Our Katie Delaney joins us on UNE's campus in Portland and has the details. Hey, Katie.
Hey, Lee and Leanne. The new borrowing cap for medical students is $50,000 a year with a lifetime limit of $200,000. Now, this may seem like a pretty high limit, but medical students here at the University of New England actually borrow an average of $300,000 to pay for their education. Previously, medical students could cover the whole cost of tuition with federal loans. Now, UNE leaders are worried about how this gap will impact students and the medical industry here in Maine. UNE's president, James Herbert, says this new federal loan limit could cause less students, particularly low-income students, to go into medicine. That's largely because the borrowing cap will force students to take out more private loans, which are usually harder to pay off. He also fears that this will lead students to seek out higher-paying jobs in big cities rather than staying here in Maine.
We don't need more doctors in Boston. We need more doctors in Caribou. And so I want to be able to give students the opportunity to go, even though those jobs pay less in rural areas of Maine. That's where we need the physicians. And I worry that this legislation is going to make it harder for our graduates to go into those rural settings.
Going forward, Herbert says that UNE has been speaking with some groups to try to figure out ways to get students loans with more favorable terms than private loans to hopefully help fill this gap. Live in Portland, Katie Delaney, News Center, Maine.